Hey shell seekers, good afternoon. I just wanted to jump on really quick and give you guys a beach update. Many of you have been following my beach updates over the last couple months, and today Sanibel is back to beautiful Sanibel. There are people swimming and kayaking, and my husband has two drinks in one hand. That's living large right there. And people are out here on the beach, and there are fish in the water. I don't know, let me see if you guys will be able to. Hey Carol. Let me see. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see, but like right here, like there's all these little minnows swimming around. The water is really clear. Like you can like see my feet. Okay, so the water is super clear. This is a great day to like snorkel if you want to snorkel. There's people diving out there and swimming. It is just super pretty. The water is clear. It's a little bit rough for shelling. My favorite place to shell is like right here at the break line. And unfortunately it's just a little bit rough for that. If you guys can see, a little rough and cloudy, but when the tide goes out, it should calm down a little bit. The beach is really clean. We haven't seen any dead fish at all. Here's a jellyfish that probably could use a little help back into the water. But I don't have shoes on, so I can't help him. But yeah, I mean, the beach is just really nice. There's birds. You can see some birds out here. There was an osprey that picked up a really big fish right in front of us. I was on the phone, or else I would have been able to video it, but it looked like a big catfish or a little shark or something, but it was big. And so the ospreys are back fishing. There's some little sandpipers here. So yeah, the beach is great. So for those of you who are worried or you have vacations planned, hey little birds, no need to worry as of now. It is just absolutely beautiful. There's no odor at all. For those of you who caught me live on my page this morning, my throat's still scratchy from being inside our house. So it's actually healthier for me at the beach than it is, oh, I think it's broken. Oh, it is broken. I hate when that happens. Yeah, it's actually better for me to be outside than inside our house right now. So, yeah, so there's lots of little shells. I'm sorry if you guys are getting seasick. I'm trying to hold it really still. Susan, the bottom of what? What about the bottom of what? Here's like a little group of shells. This is a great place to do your shelling. Get down low, hunt and seek. You'll see like patches of shells. So there's like patch of shells here, right here, and then you won't see anything for a while, and then there'll be another patch like up here. So that's one of the reasons that I tell you guys, you know, go out and hunt and seek and just walk the beach, because you're gonna find a lot of shells just walking, really. Here's a little tide pool right here. Ocean, is there red tide on the floor? So red tide is gone right now. Susan, I don't know, like way out there in the Gulf how it is, and I am not scuba diving, so I can't tell you what the floor looks like way out there. I'm sure that you're gonna have remnants of red tide, such as, you know, well, which is, I mean, unfortunately, whichever way you wanna look at it, is good for you guys, because all of those deceased shells are gonna be rolling in. But you can see here, like there's fish. I'm trying to get out to where it's a little calmer. I don't know if you guys can see all the fish, but they're just back. Oh, there's something under my foot. Jeez Louise. I stepped on something, yo. This is why you wear fit kicks and beach shoes. Anyway, so I don't know if you guys can see all the little fish, the little minnows and stuff here, but they're here. Just if you can't see them, trust me that they're here. It is very clear. Very clear, especially with the sun right now. So here, I'll bring you guys over and you might be able to see some, you know, shells and stuff on the floor. But anyway, yeah, so as far as I can tell you, from we're at like the east end right now. Lighthouse is this way, right around the corner. This part of Sanibel, I have not been to the west end, but I heard the west end's just as nice. You're gonna see pockets of shells here that have washed up, and this is where you can look too. So, you know, we're gonna see remnants, guys, of red tide, because some stuff still has to wash up, and the stuff that's already on the beach is obviously washed up from that, but it is so beautiful out. Like, I can't even tell you. It's like such a perfect day. It's warm, it's sunny. There is not a cloud in the sky, like literally. Like, it is just, there's birds. people in the water. Hi Ingrid. Hey Cindy. Yeah, so it's beautiful. I flew in late last night and I am leaving tomorrow, unfortunately. So it is a very, very quick trip for me, but let's see. You guys, I don't know. It's so bright out here and I can't tell if I can see better with my glasses on or off, but I'm trying to read your comments and see if you guys can see any shells and stuff in the water. This is my favorite place to shell, right here along the brake line. It's a little bit rough for that today, but I bet you when the tide goes out, it'll be much better. So if any of you guys have questions, let me know. There's a nice piece of driftwood. Somebody was asking about driftwood. There's some of these clams. So a lot of you guys like these clams for craft projects, you know, for painting shells, all you Sanibel sheller painters. Okay, these are really great. They're everywhere. So those are nice shells to pick up. But yeah, so this is your beach update. It is beautiful. I've been shelling every time I come down here and it's been awesome. It was not so pleasant with the dead sea life everywhere, but now it is just pristine. So you are welcome. So if you guys have questions, let me know. I'm gonna catch up with husband and finish our beach walk. Here's another little tide pool. Sometimes you'll find little fun things in the tide pool, so always check there too. Somebody was asking about these pen shells. I forget who it was, but she was like, how do they get so clean? But this is just a species of pen shell. So you guys can see it makes like a nice little heart, but they're usually pretty clean. A little iridescence going on there, you guys can see. I literally can't see my screen, so hopefully that's showing up how pretty it is. But yep, so you guys will find lots of fun things on the beach. Robin, 50 degrees. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it was really cold in Maryland when we left too. I was in like leg warmers and a sweatshirt and everything. And it's been in like the 40s at night and the 50s and maybe reach 60 during the day. So this is a very nice break for me. Show you guys the beach. It's just so pretty. And people are starting to come back. You can see everybody with their umbrellas and everything and playing in the water. So much, much better for those of you that were worried. We are very, very happy to see the fish swimming and the birds around and everything. So, all right guys, well, I'm gonna sign off. I just wanted to jump on really quick to give you guys a little beach update. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and if you're on Sanibel and you see me, please come say hi. I would love to say hi to you guys. I'm only here for 2 days, so I'll be spending as much time here as I can on the beach shelling. Hey Tony! Oh, that's fantastic. I bet it'll be beautiful next month. So lots of shells, guys. Like, you just gotta, I'm not really shelling today, I'm beach walking, but you know, just come and look and seek, and in the water too. You'll find some really fun things. So, all right guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.